Okay, good morning. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, and here is what you're doing today. I will put the how are you feeling slide in. Our read aloud will be today at 9:05. And then here is the word wizard for chapter 14. Remember, if you can't make it, listen here. Or if you can, click on me to go to the Google Meet and be able to read it with us live, because I do go over the word wizard if you join the live class. Okay. Then math, we are skipping lesson 6 and going to 7. You'll still have to do lesson 6 on Zearn. Okay, so you'll watch these videos and then I am doing the lesson with you today. So make sure you watch those. Set a timer for 7 minutes. See how much you can get done. And do the exit ticket. Okay, so then you're going to get on to Zearn. You need to be done with lesson 6 and 7, and you're on 8. Okay. After that, imagine math. Then take a break. After that, you're going to read Shirley Jackson's Scientific Mind, point of view, grammar practice, and then spelling. So I want you to define these words. Read Shirley Jackson's Scientific Mind, page 4 and 5. Click here for the digital version. And then you can click here for the dictionary. But I want these, and it gives you the page number if you have the book with you. It gives you the page number of where to find those. Okay, point of view. How is your point of view of the story of Shirley Jackson's Scientific Mind different from the authors because of the information you gain from the pictures? Let me know right there. Okay, then you're going to watch this video and do the grammar. It's using but and so. Simple sentence, I like spinach. I don't like kale. A compound sentence would be, I like spinach, but I don't like kale. All right, so you're going to rewrite the two simple sentences to form a compound sentence. Use one of the coordinating conjunctions and or a but, and or but or so, and a comma. Okay, so same thing here. You're going to choose which word to put in here, and, or, but, or so. Which one makes the most sense in that sentence? Okay, for rainbow spelling, I will let you know which list you are on and also put in the words here so that you guys have those. Take a break. After that, do Get Epic. And then for social studies today, we're going to learn about the Iroquois. So you're going to watch this video, read this story, and then answer these questions. I know it seems like a lot, but then that's it. You're done. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Bye.